It looked harmless, just like sugar. He had no idea what it was. His mother doesn't know where he is.
Where is my son?
Dear parents, please listen carefully. The drugs our children are using today are not the ones we knew before. They are stronger, they are cheaper, they are more addictive, and they are more deadly. One of the worst and fastest spreading drugs destroying our youths today is called ice. Ice is the street name for crystal. Methamphetamine, a powerful stimulant, drug that directly attacks the brain. It can cause madness, strokes, psychosis, organ failure, and death. And once a person is addicted, quitting becomes one of the hardest battles of their life. Here's what makes ice so dangerous. It looks completely harmless. It can look like sugar. It can look like salt. It can look like seasoning crystals like Ajinomoto. Parents, if you find strange white crystals in nylons or sachets anywhere in your home, do not ignore it. Your children won't call it methamphetamine. They use code words you may have already heard and not understood. Ice, crystal, shabu, glass, makpuru mamiri, Charlie, sugar. These are all the same deadly drug. If you hear these words often around your child, do not brush it off. Be alert, be very alert. Ice is expensive. A single pinch costs between 2,000 and 5,000 naira. A gram, 15,000 to 30,000 naira or more. To feed the addiction, users sell their phones, their laptops, their clothes, their family's valuables. And when there is nothing left to sell, they steal. Addiction doesn't just destroy health. It turns good children into criminals. Ice enters the body in different ways: smoking, snorting, injecting, mixing in drinks, or even licking crystals directly like sweets. Every single method leads to the same destination: the slow, painful destruction of the human brain.
I'm proud of you, son. You know you can talk to me about anything, right?
Yeah, I know.
Parents, the most powerful drug prevention tool you have is your voice. Talk to your children, not when something goes wrong, but today. If you find strange crystals, notice sudden mood changes, missing valuables, or your child withdrawing from family, act immediately. Seek help. You are not alone.
Recovery is possible, but only if we act in time. Don't wait until it's too late.
I will talk to my child today.
I will say no.
I will watch and protect.
We will not be silent.
Speak up, stay alert, save a life. A public awareness message by Muhammad Ali Abbas. Together, we protect our youths.